Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to install Tomcat 7. Before installing Tomcat 7, you need to first install JDK. For Tomcat 7, you can install JDK 7 version. Once you install JDK, the next step is to set Java home variable. So this is very important step. Lot of people forget to set this variable. If you don't set this variable, this is the environment variable. If you don't set this, the Tomcat will not run. Once you set Java home, you need to then set path variable. The path should contain the bin folder path of JDK, and the Java home will contain the folder path of JDK. So this JDK, under this JDK folder, you will have bin folder, lib folders. So I will quickly show you how to set Java home and path variables. Click on my computer, right click, properties, go to advanced tab, select environment variables. So here I have already added Java home system variable. So you can see the path which I mentioned here. If you don't have this variable, then you can create Java home by clicking new, and then you can give the variable name as Java home. Then you can give the variable value as the JDK path where the JDK has been installed. Let's see path. So under this variable, you need to specify the bin folder path of JDK. So these are the prerequisite steps before starting installation of Tomcat 7. Once you do this, download the Tomcat 7 from the Apache website. This is the URL. So here you can find the installable for Tomcat 7. So under core, you will find zip. So download this zip file. This zip file will contain Tomcat. I already downloaded this zip file. This is the zip file. So once you download this, you need to unzip the zip file. You can say extract all. So this will unzip the zip file. Once you do that, it will create a folder, and this is where it will install the Tomcat, which I have already done. So under bin, you will find a lot of batch file through which you can start the Tomcat, shut down the Tomcat. The two important batch file are startup, which starts the Tomcat, and shutdown, which stops the Tomcat. After this, you need to set another system variable. The name of variable should be Catalina home, and this should contain the folder path where the Tomcat has been installed. So this is the path. Sorry, not bin. This is the path. So this folder will contain bin, lib, conf and other directories. So you need to specify this path in Catalina home variable. So we'll see Catalina home, go to environment variables, I have already specified the variable. So this will be the last step. So once you do that, the installation is complete. Now you can start the Tomcat, stop the Tomcat. So if you want to start the Tomcat, double click startup.bat file. Now the Tomcat is running. It will take few seconds to start. Okay, the server is started. I have made the port as 80, hence I need not to specify the port. By default the Tomcat port is 8080. So once you install, you need to give as localhost colon 8080. Since I have modified that port, I need not to specify the port. So I will just say localhost. So if you get this screen, that means the installation is successful. So in your case, if you have not modified the port, then you need to specify like this, localhost colon 8080. So in that case, you should see the screen. You should see this screen. If this screen is coming, that means the installation is proper. So this is how you configure the Tomcat. So if you want to stop the server, double click shutdown. So this will stop the Tomcat. Yeah. So it stopped. So these are the steps you need to follow to install Tomcat. That's the end of tutorial. Thank you.